Let's start right off by saying that there isn't a magic pill for better speaking. That would be too easy, right? Basically, the best way to speak better is to, well, speak. Commit to practicing often and with as many different people as possible. Increase your practice time by meeting your classmates after class, finding a language exchange partner, or joining an online community of learners. After your conversation is over, take a moment to reflect. How did it go? How much do you think you understood? How comfortable did you feel with that subject matter? Did you encounter any unknown words? The mere act of thinking about it in this way will increase your confidence for the next time you speak, and give your targeted things to work on. For example, vocabulary you didn't understand. You need words in order to talk, right? Class time is great for learning vocabulary, but there are other ways you can increase yours. Watch movies, listen to music, the radio, and to podcasts. Read books, magazines, and blogs. When listening and reading, find new and interesting expressions, slang terms, and synonyms. Write down this new material and look up anything you're not familiar with. All this will provide more meat for you to use next time you practice. 4. Prepare cheat sheets. Part of nervousness around speaking is the feeling of not knowing what to say. To combat this, prepare a cheat sheet. Are you going to the doctor's? Before your appointment, research vocabulary relating to your condition and some common phrases you'll probably need. Use the technique before going to pay a bill, eating at a restaurant, job interviews, making a complaint, or for any other situation that might make you anxious. Most people find phone conversations particularly challenging. Why? Because on the phone, we can't see the other person's body language or watch their mouth move. Both of which are tools that really help communication. To feel more confident on the phone, start small with phone conversations with friends, then move on to more challenging calls like making appointments or inquiries. We know, most people dislike hearing their voice recorded, but it's actually an extremely beneficial way to improve your speaking. Hearing yourself on tape shows you things you might not realize. Maybe you tend to speak quickly when nervous, swallow your S's, or mumble. On the other hand, you could be pleasantly surprised to hear that your speaking is far better than you thought. For bonus points, take your recording to your teacher or to a native speaker friend and have them give you feedback. Another tip to increase your fluency is to speak using a variety of phrases rather than individual words. You probably do this all the time in your native language. Instead of automatically asking, "Hello, how are you today?" mix it up by choosing other expressions like, "What's up, man?" "Hey dude," or "How ya going, mate?" Be careful, though. Some expressions will be very informal and not ideal for some situations. Let's face it, it's far easier to learn something new when you're having fun. Inject silliness into your speaking practice by talking to yourself when you're alone. Singing along with popular songs in English, doing tongue twisters, or doing 1-minute, impromptu speeches on randomly chosen topics.